Hey John, so I guess between all of us, we finally got this thing posting. So looks like it's gonna work. Before I wrote out some tasks, I know you said that you're not comfortable with BuddyPress, and I wanted to see if by all means, if you have to do research, you can be on the clock or whatever. I mean, if it's going to take like 10 hours, then that's probably not realistic, but if it's just a little research and try to figure stuff out, I'm more than happy to pay for that. These are the type of things, and you've done it in other places. For example, when we were changing the links over here, you were doing it. So I just wanted to just kind of run through it. So for example, I'm an administrator, and this is a bummer, you can't see it right here. Gosh, I need to move this down. Alright, let me go into another task. Okay, so these projects that are beautiful and they're labeled 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, that's how they kind of lay out. And if you click on them, this is our typical pop-up. I think it's Pretty Photo or something like that. All the CSS is in the files. So anyway, this is pulling from add a project. So if you're a user, either an architect or a contractor, and you click add a project, when you click add a project, it'll populate into this area perfectly, right? And everything looks wonderful. Now the app, on the other hand, is looking kind of nasty. So now how we were post and update, I just added a random picture, and this is what's happening. It's just throwing this big picture in here, and it's just kind of ugly. So what I was hoping to do is somehow modify the app and how it's pushing this information, and just make it this, whatever this size is, that would be the typical size, and if somebody were to click on it, it would pop up into a Pretty Photo. So that would be one of the tasks. Another task is you're going to have to, I can't show you because maybe if I get lucky, hold on. Oh, I would. Hold on. Okay, so if you look in the lower right-hand part of your screen down here, so the users are messed up in the wall feed. So as you can see, this is Space Design, Members, KS Designs, and Products. So that's going to an old plugin that Matt had changed. And it's actually supposed to go to, I'm an admin, I'm also going to the wrong place. Let's see, it should be going to Riken Construction is correct. So you essentially need to replace the all, so this would be all users, would need to be replaced with members, then Riken Construction is their username, and then listing, and then contractor project. So if somebody were to click on that link, then they get to go and see all the projects that that contractor or architect has ever done. So once again, everybody, so admins or architects, or excuse me, designers as users. So if you go to these users, you go to user types, we have 3 different roles: homeowner, designer, which I'm calling architect, sorry, but it's designer, and then there's contractor pro. So the contractor pro is going to the right place. Oops, wrong click. So I'm going to the wrong place. Watch what happens when I click on me. I don't even know where I go. I go apparently nowhere. This is a designer. This goes to a dead page, which is obviously not good. And then the only person that goes to the right one is Riken Construction, and they go to the right page, which is this company projects, which is also right here. You just replace that user right there, and that would be the default for every picture. Those are kind of the next tasks that we have to do, is kind of just fix these things. And I'm hoping that you can help me out. Let me know. Thank you.